Hello and welcome to my listing for the new L'Oreal Color Riche Lipstick Plump and Shine. Now this is a choose your color listing and I'm going to go through the colors with you here and give you a peek at what you can expect and to help you give a live or a video view of the color themselves so you can help you to make a better decision on which shade that you would like. Now this shade is 101 Nectarine. Now this is a kind of a bright orange color. This is Lychee 103. Now it looks white, but it goes on like a clear color. It's like a gloss. This one is Guava 104. And this is a lighter kind of orangey color. This is Mulberry Plump 105. It's a really pretty soft pinkish color. This one is 107 Coconut. And it's like a nude kind of color. This one is 108 Wild Fig. This is a deep burgundy color. Very, very pretty. This color is 109 Blue Mint. It's kind of like a light blue or light purple. You can see as I bring this up, the color really starts to come out. It's like a real light blue or purplish color. Now, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that helps you to make your decision on which shade that you need. Thank you for your interest in this product, and thank you for visiting my page or my listing in my store. If you like makeup and HBA, please give my store a follow, and I look forward to serving you in the future. Thank you.